Oh, we bonded alright. Going up bird crap stairs for a fucking tower that everyone wanted to get to, not just me.
Yes.
I wasn't the one going, like, it's got to go that way.
Alright, this is the bit with the missing steps, alright, so... I don't really know. Oh, that is insanely wobbly. Don't hold on to these. It's better not to.
Are you alright?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Positive?
What?
Positive? We've got to go down the missing steps yet. Hey, Paul, how about that?
Oh. Right, so these ones, so that's a, hang on.
There's a fucking big hole there.
Yes, I just realised, thank you. Oh.
What?
I'd like to hold the handrail, thank you. And there is no handrail.
What's the step? There it is. Whoa, there's no fucking step here.
Rooftop. That's good.
Fuck me.
It gets a bit dark down here.
Yeah, I've just had to fucking step over like 4 steps to even see.
Okay, it just got worse again.
Yeah, thanks for that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're telling me to like, you know.
On this bit, just don't look right, okay?
I think we'll go to the flat roof now, which is like only 2 floors higher. We've got to actual main stage. Oh fuck. I thought you meant this bit, but you mean...
Fucking these.
Yeah, I think I'm going for a pint after this.
Oh my fucking god.
Thanks for that.
Oh.
Matt, are you jumping out the flat room?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah.
No, I think I'll take the stairs.
I'm not going down them stairs again. Where's my tripod?
You left it on the...
Oh, landing, yeah.
That'll be alright to jump onto, yeah?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Extinguisher for you.
Timber! That was fun. You going down that way, are you? Right, I'll meet you on the side then. He's going down that way.
It doesn't...
Take it, take it!
I had to like jump over the fire extinguisher that was just there.
I hate fucking little gaps like this.
What that, yeah, squeeze through. Did you video?
I did the whole thing down, yeah.
What did you do that for, man?